Welcome to Nirja Education. Hello everyone. Today, class 8, science, lesson number 1, crop production and management. We are going to continue. In that, in last video, we discussed about agriculture practice. There is the first step, preparation of soil. Before seeing my video, please subscribe our channel. At the same time, don't forget to press the bell icon. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the second step, selection of seeds and sowing. Again, I read selection of seeds and sowing. What is the word meaning sowing? Sowing is nothing but this is the process of putting seeds in the soil for growing crops. This is the process putting or adding of seeds on the soil for growing of crops. That process is called sowing. Now, before sowing the seed, we should select the seed. That is the reason here it is mentioned selection of seed and sowing. So, before sowing the seed, it is necessary to select the seed. Why we want to select the seed? Means because whenever we are selecting the seed, then only we can get the harvesting also very well. We will get more harvesting too. So, that is the reason the selection of seed is very important. Okay, how we select the seed? That is the second question. So, there are the three categories we have to see the seed. Whenever farmer selecting the seed, they should analyze three things. One is the seed should be clean, right? The second one is the seed should be healthy. Healthy means it should not affect with any infection like fungal or bacterial or etc. The third one is whatever the seeds they are selecting, it has to produce high yield. So, that is called high yield food grain seed. So, there are the three categories they are selecting. One is clean, second one is healthy, the third one is HYN. HYN means high yield food grains, high yield nutrients. These three things they have to see. So, keep it in your mind children. Before sowing, we should select the seed. That seed should be, these three categories we have to see the selection of the seed. The first one is cleaning. The seed should be clean. At the same time, the seed should be healthy. Means it should not affect with any kind of infectants or infectious agent. The third one is it should give high yield also. There are other three tendencies. Okay. While seeing the seed, we should know this is a clean seed or not. Then from we purchase the market, sellers will tell this is the high yielding seed. Then how we come to know the seed is healthy or not? So how we can separate unhealthy seed and healthy seeds? Means we are going to do one small activity. In that activity, we should know that the seeds are healthy or not healthy. It is unhealthy. Farmers mostly select the seeds by this process only. You can also try this method. Now I am going to show the small experiment. How we have to select the seed. Now I am going to how to select the seed. You can see this experiment, you can do this experiment in your home also. What are the things required for this experiment? Means we need one glass jar and in the glass tumbler I filled 3/4 of water. Then I am taking handful of seeds. You see this? The handful of seeds and taking then one spoon. These three things is required for this experiment. First, I already had taken water. Now I am putting inside the seed inside the glass water. Now you see children, with the help of spoon, I am just mixing here. You might have noticed this. See here, some of the seeds are deposited down of the glass. Some of them are float on the upper surface. You might have noticed. Or you are noticing now. You just see few seeds are float on the upper surface, most of the seeds deposited down. How the seeds will float children? When the seeds will float? Because the seeds are lighter weight. Maybe it is unhealthy. Might be it is infected with bacterial or fungal. That seeds are floating. Remaining seeds are settled down. Might be they are heavy weight. They can settle down. So this way farmers, whenever they are purchasing the seeds for sowing purpose, first they will add inside the water. Those who are the seeds floating on the upper surface, they will remove. That seeds are called unhealthy seeds. So those who are the seeds down deposit, that seeds are called healthy seeds. This way they remove the upper seeds and they will collect these seeds for sowing purpose. I hope you have understood how to select the seed. I have shown the experiment how to select the seed separate from healthy as well as unhealthy seed. Now the seeds are ready for sowing. Now the sowing is done by the tool. The tool is called seed drill. In my previous video, I have explained what is seed drill. Please go through my previous video, you can get idea. Now we are going to see, already I told, sowing is nothing but the process of adding seeds on the land for growing crops. That process is called sowing. So before sowing, we have to select the seed. Already we selected the seed. Next, how we have to do sowing? The sowing can done by two methods. There are done by two methods. One method is called manual method. One method is called manual method. The second method is called mechanical method. So what is mean by manual method means the farmers by themselves they can add the seed on the land. That process is called manual sowing. Clear? So without any machinery they can manually by himself, the farmer himself add the seed on the prepared land. That process is called, that method is called manual method of sowing. Here that manual method of sowing is called broadcasting. What do you call? Broadcasting. This broadcasting we can also say, we can also tell like that, scattering. Broadcasting is also called a scattering. Here one disadvantages also is there. First I will show how the farmers doing broadcasting, then I will tell what is the disadvantages, right? You just imagine this is the selection of the seed. Already the seed selected, these are good seed for sowing purpose only farmers selected. Just imagine, right? This seed, what is mean by broadcasting method mean farmers just see the seed and scatter like this. This method is called broadcasting, right? So broadcasting means just add the seeds on the land by scattering method. This is called the broadcasting method, right? Here one disadvantages is children. You just notice this land, you just imagine this is the land preparation for agriculture. You just imagine already seeds are there by the method of manual scattering method, right? You see here the seeds are not distributed in proper manner. Some of the seeds are present in particular area. You just see here the seeds are, many seeds are present in a particular area. Here some of the seeds are scattering. If we add, what might be happen? The seeds will not grow properly. Why the seeds will not grow properly? Because competition occur in between the seeds for nutrient, air, space, etc., etc. So automatically the yield become less. So that is the disadvantages of broadcasting method. Broadcasting method, why it is disadvantageous means while scattering the seeds will not fall at the particular distance. Everything fall together. So automatically what will happen? In between the seeds competition will occur. So yield will not be good, right? So most probably which method is effective? Which method is effective for sowing means the second method, that is called mechanical method. What is mean by mechanical method means with the help of machine, with the help of agriculture tool, they adding the seed on the land. That method is called the mechanical method. This method can done by the help of agriculture tool, that is called the seed drill. What is seed drill? Seed drill is nothing but it is an agriculture tool. It helps to add the seed on the land at the same time at a proper distance and proper depth. Suppose one seed, the seed drill is adding here, mean next will be here, next will be here, next will be here. So the proper distance is maintained between one seed to another seed. Here no competition in between one seed to another seed. All the seeds will get enough amount of nutrient, air, water, etc. So the growth also more, harvest also more. Automatically farmer get high yield. We discuss different methods of sowing. One is manual method, another one is mechanical method. Manual method is also called broadcasting method or scattering method. Next one is mechanical method. By the help of machine, by the help of agriculture tool, they add the seed on the land. That method is called the mechanical method. Out of this, which method is effective means, of course, mechanical method is effective. Which tool is used for sowing purpose means seed drill is used. What is seed drill? Already we explained, right? So the seed drill, it is a tool which is help to add the seeds at the particular distance, right? Next we are going to learn about the word transplantation. What is mean by transplantation? Some of the seeds like rice or certain vegetables and ornamental plants are not able to grow in the form of seeds. First they have to grow in a small area, that is called a nursery. The small area, first they will add the seed and they will germinate the seeds. Once the seed germinate, what they will do? They transfer the sapling from nursery to the agriculture land. That process is called the transplantation. What are the plants we can do for the transplantation means rice, certain fruits and vegetables we can do by this method. I hope you have understood.